Hi, do you know that test preparation industry is one of the fastest growing categories of India's online education in 2021? More than 95% of the competitive exams in India test the aptitude of the student, which means primarily three different sections: the logical reasoning, the quantitative reasoning, and the verbal reasoning. And that is the reason why the demand for aptitude trainers is rapidly growing every day, every week, and every month. As an aptitude trainer, you can offer classes in the mornings or in the evenings or even during the weekends. Even if you are an employee, a business owner, self employed, a homemaker, or a retired person, you can choose to grab your share of this fast growing test preparation industry by becoming an aptitude trainer. In fact, I have been aptitude trainer myself for over 26 years now, training students for various competitive exams. I've also been conducting the Train the Trainer certification workshops for people who aspire to become aptitude trainers, and I have conducted these workshops across the country in all the major cities including Delhi, Bangalore, Chennai, Mumbai, Pune, Ahmedabad, Hyderabad, Trivandrum, Ernakulam, etc. I have also conducted the FDP, Faculty Development Programs, for a couple of engineering colleges. This is something you can also do. Once you become an aptitude trainer, you can choose to conduct classes and train students for different competitive exams, including exams like Bank PO, Bank Probationary Officer exams, Bank Clerical exams, RRB, Railway Recruitment Board exams, SSC, Staff Selection Commission exams, and also Group 1, Group 2, Group 3, Group 4 exams. Plus, if you choose to, you can also become an aptitude trainer for exams like GRE, the GMAT, SCAT, SAT, the CAT exam, Common Admission Test, and also Civil Services Aptitude Test, CSAT. You can choose to work full-time, part-time, or even as a freelancer during the weekends. You can choose to associate with coaching centers in your own city, or you have the option of offering your own classes online and also offline. Is that interesting? Wonderful. Consider this my invitation to you for a webinar that I am conducting. This webinar will help you understand various opportunities available in this field of test preparation, that is aptitude training, coaching students for various competitive exams. In the webinar, we will also discuss the various test patterns. We will understand the various sections and the type of questions that are being asked, which will give you the confidence that you can also become an aptitude trainer for any of these competitive exams. This webinar is free, absolutely free. All you have to do is click on the button below and register for this webinar before the seats get filled up. You know what? The last time I conducted this webinar, we had more than 1,000 people who attended this webinar. This time, we have decided to enhance the capacity of the webinar room, and hence we have stretched it to almost 2,000 seats. Book your seat before the webinar gets full. Be an action taker. Understand? This webinar is going to be live. There are not going to be any recording or replays. Be an action taker, register for the webinar, and we will meet live in the webinar.